Okay, guys, talk about thinking outside of the box. Somebody keeps sending me this. I don't know, it's Braille, so I don't know how to read Braille. And it's some business, and they don't give me a phone number or anything on it. But I thought, what the heck, I could use it in my journals. It's already textured. Um, so what I did is I cut it down into the sizes of my folders, and I just, cut them all down that would fit inside of there and all my other folders. And I just put it through my embossing, my Vagabond 2 by Tim Holtz, which I love. And so here's what happened. They came out, and what's really cool, if you can see it, is there are a lot of little dots already in there, which is Braille. So I guess that's for the blind. I don't know how to read it, but I thought I would just use it. And I cannot find out who the company is. They send it with no information. And they send it to me every month. So it's a good little recycle tip if you get stuff in the mail, you don't know what to do with it. I also thought about maybe if I cut this down to size, I can actually turn this into a journal already put together. So I may try that in the near future, and if I do, I'll do a video of it. But here is some free paper you can use to make your beautiful embossing papers. And here's all the folders that I use for it. I also did some of the butterflies. And again, you can see the little dots in there. I have not used any distressed inks on it yet, but I'm sure it's going to turn out beautiful. And so there. Another great tip. Thanks for watching.